Peace, peace. What's going on with you good people? You should already know you back with your homeboy Wrenchturna. This is another daily vlog, and I got a surprise for you guys today. Got something good to show you. You know what I mean? Got another part that came in, so we're going to do this unboxing today. Alright? So let's get to it. Run the intro. Let's get it, baby!
Tonight I'm feeling heavy,
Feeling real heavy.
right now, it's C4,
baby!
it's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
Alright, so you see my wall of parts here. This joint right here just came, so we're gonna unbox it and see what's in it. Alright. Oh, joint type heavy, boy. Yeah, man, this joint type heavy. So, got it down here though. Let me move this out the way. Move this. That joint kind of dull, man. Ooh. Put that on the floor. Y'all know them boxes be dirty, boy. Alright, where's my other one at? Alright. See that? Huh? All aluminum. All aluminum in the cooler. Oh, man, this joint type heavy, boy. Yeah, man. Ah, man. Man. The first one that I bought wasn't this heavy. Wow. I guess in transit, one of my clamps got beat up really bad. Wow. What's going on with that, guys? I mean, I'm not going to shout out where I bought it from right now because I ain't trying to throw no shade onto them or nothing. Because they did give me a deal. So, just being honest about it, they did look out for me. And I'm not going to trip over a clamp. It's a simple clamp. But yeah, man, got this thing, man. And this show was not cheap at all. But, you know, got it. It's here. Yeah, man. So the next video is going to be me unboxing some more parts because I got more parts coming. But I just wanted to make a little quick video, let you guys know it's here. All aluminum, intercooler. It's heavy as hell. Gonna push mad air. Turbo sounds, baby. Look out for it. Talk to you guys on the flip side. Wrenchturna out. Wrenchturna out.